look like a model without surgery? The answer is simple. Yes, it definitely is. After watching hundreds of videos about increasing attractiveness and self-confidence, I summarized everything for you in less than 6 minutes. Let's get to it. 5. Basic male attractiveness. The most important hormone for a strong and masculine appearance is testosterone. This hormone determines the shape of your bones, jawline, muscles, and shoulders. If it's low, your energy, attractiveness, and self-confidence will plummet. The best natural way to increase testosterone. Hit the gym and do heavy lifting. Focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. These exercises force your body to release more testosterone. But exercise alone isn't enough. Most testosterone production occurs while you sleep. Lack of sleep or poor quality sleep can reduce your testosterone levels by up to 15%. Blue light from your phone before bed can reduce your sleep quality. If you can't put your phone away, wear blue light filter glasses. And always go to bed at a specific time to help your body get in order. Remember, self-improvement means balance. Make your life enjoyable, but maintain discipline and schedule. Eliminate processed foods from your diet. Focus on eggs and dairy. These two are natural sources of testosterone and will help your jawline and daily energy a lot. Strengthen your facial structure. This isn't genetically bad. It just needs to be fixed. Make your face look more chiseled and your jawline more defined. Don't forget neck exercises. A strong neck makes your face look more masculine. Try exercises like neck curls and extensions to strengthen your jaw. Chew on hard foods like raw carrots, meat, and natural gum. Stop breathing through your mouth and breathe through your nose. Keep your mouth closed even when you sleep, or use mouth tape. And now for an advanced secret. Forget mowing. If you're over 16, it won't work. Try the NPR method instead. Place your thumbs under your chin, keep your index finger straight. Try opening your mouth while resisting with your thumbs. Do it 3 days a week after your workout. If you don't feel any pain, increase to 5 days, but if you do, stop immediately. Body shape and overall build. A broad, well-proportioned body will instantly make you look more powerful and attractive. Focus on your shoulders, chest, and back to create a V-shaped frame. This look will make an impact at first glance, without you even saying a word. Eat high-protein foods like red meat, eggs, and dairy. The goal is to build a beautiful, well-proportioned body, not a bulky, unnatural one. Why is this body shape great? 1. It can be achieved in less than 6 months. 2. Clothes fit better. 3. Creates a natural appeal. 2. Skin and facial care. Most men neglect this part, but it is one of the most important. Clean your tongue every day with a tongue cleaner. Bad breath is the biggest turnoff. Whiten your teeth with baking soda and lemon peel. Keep your lips moisturized with Vaseline. Eliminate sugar. Sugar ruins the skin. Massage your face with ice morning and night to tighten and brighten your skin. Wash your face twice a day. Drink at least 4 liters of water a day. Get enough sleep to eliminate dark circles under your eyes. Keep your eyebrows neat but not too thin. There is no miracle cream. Focus on a healthy lifestyle instead of spending money on ineffective products. 1. Continuity, the key to all success. Most people don't get results because they get discouraged quickly. But real change only comes with persistence and patience. Don't strive for perfection. Your goal should be one thing: become the best version of yourself. Initial results will start to appear after 2 to 3 months. And big changes will happen in less than a year. So stay consistent, be patient, and if you really want to change this year, hit the subscribe button because my next content is going to change your life. Rock it.